By now, you should know that AI has come to stay. And the great thing about AI is that it has made very complex processes so simple, such that even a total beginner can create something valuable with very little effort. And the amazing part is AI is growing so fast that the generative AI market is projected to hit over $300 billion by 2030. So the perfect time to jump in on AI is literally now. So if you have been thinking about finding new ways to make money online, in this tutorial, I will be revealing 10 amazing AI tools that you can start using right now, even if you are a complete beginner, in order to start making money in the online space. Now, the very first on the list is Copy AI. Now, this AI tool makes writing persuasive content super easy. Whether you're writing for ads or you're writing emails or it is social media. If you've ever thought about becoming a freelance copywriter or simply helping small businesses with their marketing, then this AI tool can be your go-to tool. Now, the second on the list is Canva, but this time with the AI-powered features. So Canva has updated such that it now has AI features embedded in it. And these AI features makes designing graphics so simple that even if you have zero experience, you can literally use it to create cool designs. Now with this, you could start offering graphic design services, creating templates for sale, or simply help small businesses level up their social media presence. Now the very third on the list is Descript. I really love this AI tool, and the way this AI tool works is if you've ever wanted to edit audio or video but found it too complicated, you have to listen, cut and join. Well, Descript is the tool for you because it makes editing super simple with drag and drop features. And you can even edit with the video or the audio transcripts. So when you take out the word from the transcript, it automatically takes out that particular word from the video or from the audio. So you could offer podcast editing services or even launch your own YouTube channel without spending hours and hours on editing. Now the fourth on the list is Pictory AI. Now this one is an absolute game changer for video creation as it converts long form content into short shareable forms. So imagine using it to create faceless YouTube channels or short clips from Instagram and TikTok and then monetizing them. So you can create a long video and you can repurpose it into shorts, into reels, which makes it even super great. And another thing you can use Pictory AI is you can give Pictory AI a certain prompt or you can give it a certain text and it will simply generate a video for you automatically. Now this is a low effort, high reward way to create content. So the content space is literally changing with AI. Now the fifth one is Lumen 5. Now this Lumen 5 can turn any blog post into a professionally looking video. So you do not need any video editing skills. Just feed it in with a script or a blog post and it simply does the rest. You can grow your brand with video creation made easy with AI. Now, this is very perfect for creating content for businesses or even if you want to do your own social media. Now, number 6 is Midjourney. Now, if you love creativity just like I do, Midjourney lets you create amazing digital art from simple prompts. People are really making real money by selling AI art on sites like Redbubble, Etsy, or even as NFTs. You do not need to have any complicated design skills or to even be an artist. Midjourney can also help you create YouTube thumbnail designs, which you can also offer as a service and also sell to make some money. Now, number 7 is Writesonic. This Writesonic helps you generate content quickly for blogs, ads, and even social media. So you can use it to start a content-based business or you can monetize your own blog. So you can start a blog and quickly monetize it because you have an endless way to write your content. Or you can also start a YouTube channel and monetize through ads and affiliate links. So when you start your YouTube channel, Writesonic can simply help you generate constant content for your YouTube channels. Now the 8th on the list is DALL-E, and this one is also from OpenAI. Now DALL-E generates high quality images from text prompts. So you can sell these images on stock photo site or simply use them for print-on-demand products like t-shirts and posters. It's a great way to start earning without needing a camera or artistic skill. By the way, I created a step-by-step guide on how to start print-on-demand. So though it can literally be your go-to tool for your designs, I will be leaving it at the end of this video. And by the way, if you've watched up to this point and you're getting a lot of value from this video, well, do well to like this video, do well to subscribe, and do well to turn on the notification bell icon so when next I drop a new video, you will be the very first to see it. Now, the very ninth on the list is outranking. From the name, this tool is super perfect if you want to create SEO-friendly content. So you want to rank higher in the search, then this tool is for you. You can use it to help businesses rank higher on Google or even start your own blog focused on a profitable niche, and this tool can literally help you rank higher. So when people are searching for certain keywords that are listed in your blog post, then you can be able to rank at the top of the search results. And with consistent effort, you could build a passive income stream with this. And now, number 10 on the list is Rev AI. Now, Rev AI provides super fast transcription services, and you can use this to offer transcription services to YouTubers, podcasters, or even businesses looking for accurate text version of their audio or video content. So you know when you watch a movie on Netflix or you watch a video on YouTube, you can see the text written below just as the speaker is saying it. That is what is called transcription. And people like you and I are the ones that do these transcription services. Now you can offer these services and leverage AI. So Rev AI does the heavy lifting for you, and all you need to do is just to proofread. It's a super simple way to start making money with just minimal effort. However, do know that a lot of the AI tools that I've given above would require knowing how to write simple prompts, as the quality of prompt you give this AI tool is the quality of results you get. So you need to master, or you need to get a hold on how to write prompts. So you have to take some time to try out this prompt till you get better at it. Then you can create a profile on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or freelancer.com and list those as your services. Also, do make sure that you niche down, which is what I always say in my videos. So you need to choose a particular niche, as you will be able to gain mastery when you niche down than when you offer literally every service under the sun. And just also, like I always mention, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is AI. So AI will do most of the work for you, but AI will not put yourself out there. It will not put you out there. It will not market your skills for you. You need to show up, put yourself out there, and market your skills. If you've watched up to this point, drop the word AI in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.